Hello?
Hey, I'm looking for Garrett.
He's at work.
Would you mind giving me his work number then? This is Lisa. I'm calling from Flowers for You. I have a dozen roses for him to send to someone.
Okay, that's weird. No, I don't really want to give out his work number. I mean, this is his personal cell. He left it at home today. I don't feel comfortable giving out his number.
And who is this?
This is Jennifer. I'm his fiance.
Oh, his fiance. Well, I mean, maybe he would like to sing the flowers to you. I mean, I'd love to, if you want to give me his number, I'd love to give him a call and give him that option.
Well, personally, I would love to get flowers, but I just don't really feel comfortable giving out his number. How did he win this again?
It's a random text-to-win contest.
Okay.
Well, maybe he would send me the flowers.
Who are you?
I'm Wendy.
That voice is Wendy. This is Manny, Roy, and Loren. You're on War of the Roses.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi? I'm sorry, I don't really understand. Who's Wendy?
Well,
Why
that's
would my fiance send him flowers? Flowers?
Well, Wendy's dating Garrett.
They met on Tinder?
Yeah, it's my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend. My fiance is your boyfriend? That's not possible.
Wendy, tell Jennifer how long ago you guys met.
It was just like around Christmas time that we started making things official.
You made things official through Tinder around Christmas time with Garrett.
Jen,
I'm sorry, we've been together for like 3 years. We're getting married in the spring. Like, this just doesn't make any sense. I don't understand.
Jen, have you been noticing Garrett acting differently?
No, I mean, I've been preoccupied with all of the wedding planning. I mean, it's crazy stuff. I haven't really noticed anything, no.
Wendy, when was the last time you saw Garrett?
Oh, like 10:30 this morning.
10:30 this morning? No, he left for work. He's at work.
What time did he leave for work?
Definitely was at my place.
What time did he leave for work?
He left at 8:30 for work.
Yeah, well, I don't think he made it.
Yeah, no, we had breakfast together and everything, so.
Oh.
I'm sorry, what? This is insane. I obviously don't know if I should believe you or not. I think I need to talk to Garrett himself.